In this video, I want to show you how to convert GPX file to shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. Here in this folder, I have a GPX file. So if I want to convert it to shapefile in ArcGIS Pro, it's quite simple. So let's go to ArcGIS Pro. So the first thing to do when you come to ArcGIS Pro, come to Analysis. So under Analysis, come to Tools. When you click on it, it will bring geoprocessing, and you can see various tools you can make use of here. So here, search for GPX. Here we have different options. So the one we are interested in is GPX to feature. So which means we want to convert GPX to shapefile. So click on it. It will open this page. So under parameters, we have input and output. So here you are expected to input your GPX file. So click here to navigate to your folder. So I have it here. Here is my GPX file. Click on it and click on OK. Then the output feature class, click here to navigate to your folder where you want to save it. Let's save it as points and click on save. So immediately you do that, you will see that it has put the extension .shp for shapefile. So after you have done that, click on run. So this will run and convert the GPX file to shapefile and load it on the data view interface. Yes, you can see it. Here is my point. So you can see that I've converted my GPX file into shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. So if you have any GPX file or data, maybe you went to the field and you have your waypoint or any other data in GPX file, you can easily convert it to shapefile for further analysis in ArcGIS Pro. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.